What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Happy 1st of November. I hope you all had a fantastic weekend. And man, the IWM, the markets themselves, the individual names, Tesla, ON, let's see, Fubo, we have Plug Power, we've got Palantir, we have a lot of names running at the moment and good setups for good trading opportunities that are up in the horizon, ladies and gentlemen. So don't forget to join Trending Waves if you want to capitalize on these moves. I mean, take a quick look over here, not to show off anything, but man, this move, for instance, we took a trade on ON last week, right? On ON, this was the chart. Let me take another screenshot over here for us. We posted this chart, okay, for for a move that will hold the 618 on the second wave coming down, okay, at 43.68. Now we took this trade because we were looking at a potential risk to reward, a very, very attractive risk to reward, because our stop would have been right below the break of the wave one, okay, as it would be, because that would be invalidation. And if we take a look at the chart of ON, man, look at what happened, okay? Exactly spot on, fib textbook Elliott wave moves. All right, we have the 1 2 618, and then we have the third wave going above the 618, the 1618, at least to the 200% extension, guys. And that was amazing. We took profit at the gap of this morning. And yeah, Fubo also, we have Fubo running. We got our plays over here at Fubo. Some of us got in over here at the on October the 4th, but some of us were holding this place since a very long time. They're coming back to life. I mean, we noticed and spotted this support area here happening back in the chart history, and man, like, you guys got to take advantage of these moves. But anyway, let's take a look at the SPY. Let's see what's going to happen coming into this week and what we're expecting after the Fed meetings and so on and so forth. Now, what are we going to do with SPY? I mean, SPY keeps on moving, overlapping, right? Because I think that the impulsive structure is coming to a stop just ever so slightly. I mean, we're not going to crash. We're just going to pull back. We are looking for that healthy pullback. We need that pullback on the S&P. We need that pullback on the Qs. All right, we're seeing a breakout on SMH. We're about to see a breakout on IW and small caps. If you're holding small caps like on Fubo, you'll be very, very comfortable holding these moves coming into the rest of the month. All right, now let's take a quick look at what we have here down to the 30-minute time frame. Are we still looking for a pullback? Yes, we are. We're still looking for this wave C pullback down to at least the 23.6, which comes in at the 453.72. As you can clearly see here, the 1272 is holding ever so slightly as resistance. All right, I mean, it is trying to push forward. If it does start breaking above this zone, all right, the 459 region, or above this previous wave high, the wave B high, then we have to start looking at the possibility that wave one has completed here rather than down here on October the 5th. All right, because if this is the case, then we get the 200% extension further up in this zone. But I'm not going to do that count just yet until we start seeing a break up impulsively above the zone, or just edging up higher. For now, we are going to count the fact that the 1272 is our resistance levels, all right? And we're going to see that perhaps a 5 wave into the wave C is in the books coming into this week, all right? The Qs, guys, the Qs are pushing higher, all right? We surpassed the 2618. I'm not comfortable with that, but we have to play with it, okay? We keep on adjusting our fib zones here to find the support. We're not chasing this move into the new highs. We want to wait a 3-wave pullback, okay? Again, a 3-wave pullback into support, because we keep on chasing this, we're going to get crushed. All right, so far we're looking at this 1 2 and 3 down in 4. The substructure here within the wave 3 looks like this: 1 2 3 4 and to the 5. Okay, now the wave 5 here, if we take a quick fib zone or fib retracement, let's take a look at where it is halting, right? So from the low of wave 2 to the high of wave 3 down to the wave 4, we fix the 1 2. There you go, quickly done. And we're going to see that we've already surpassed the 618. Now maybe we're going to go into the 786 and we're going to get stuck here before we start rolling over. Okay, I just don't see this yet being a corrective move like in the SPY, A, B, and C. I think that we first get a lag on the Qs on tech, and then we start seeing a mini, or like we'll start seeing the breakout or the completion of the wave for a while the Qs are still trying to complete it on the SPY. So I guess what I'm looking for coming into the Qs, right, is that I do want to see this 3-wave pullback over to the SMH. SMH, like I said last week, breaking above its previous high ever so slightly today. We're still looking at this as an ending diagonal, and we're going to see a pullback coming into the wave 2. All right, this wave 2 pullback should yield us a, perhaps, let me take a look here, anywhere between, let's see, should yield us about a $274.63 to $273.25 region on the wave 2, and then we head on to the higher into the wave 3. We already see AMD, we already see Nvidia breaking out, we already have the SMH lock and loaded. All right, IWM, we took a trade on IWM today in anticipation of this breakout. However, we have this contract out to January, and if we don't see this break, because this is a multi-month resistance zone, as you can clearly see here, generating from March the 16th, still in consolidation form, but we're now just trying to break above it today on November the 1st. Now, taking it down to the 30-minute time frame, this is what that wave count will look like. All right, so if we are in the wave 1, pull back into the wave 2, we want to see the wave 3 continue to break on higher. All right, we may start seeing that breakout coming into the week. Otherwise, a wave 4 pullback is in the books. 3-wave pullback, we cannot break above the wave 1, otherwise this wave count will be invalid. But I do want to see this break, retest, and then we are out. All right, guys, maybe there was something else I wanted to show you. I think that's pretty much it. Bitcoin is still trading. Let's take a look at Bitcoin in its corrective form. Let me clean this up here for us. Actually, let's take a look at the daily time frame. We're still looking at a possible break above its previous all-time high here at 67K. All right, this wave count is still suggesting that this is up in 1. ABC pull back into wave 2 at the 50% retracement support, another 1, 2, and then we'll start heading on higher. All right, so this wave count will actually look like this, okay, to complete the wave 3. Now, I do not foresee this going above the 100K, but just at least towards the 79K. And why do I say the 79K? Let's take a quick look at our alternate count in the Bitcoin. All right, and that's where I want to be a little bit safe in our position. Okay, now the 80K dollar region will suggest a 1272 external fib retracement. That means that the wave 3 completed here on April the 8th. We have the A, the B, and then the C, and then expanding flat correction, or running flat rather. Okay, so that normally takes us above the previous wave high, which we've already did, but then into the 1272. Now, if we start breaking above the $80,000 region on Bitcoin, which I think we can, yeah, 100,000 is not out of the question. But for now, we are going to operate under the impression that that price structure or that price region is going to be our next target of resistance. Now, if we take a quick fib extension here from the wave 1 to the wave 2, okay, we'll already start seeing that a 100% extension to the 1618 will come down towards the, oops, let me adjust this. There you go. So a potential area for us to hit resistance in the third wave will be the 104 to the 72, anywhere between the zone. And in between that zone falls this 1272. So we start to formulate a game plan once we start reaching those levels. But as you can see, Bitcoin and a bunch of other altcoins are starting to run. Anyway, so just wanted to show you this over here. But I thank you so much. We're going to be looking out for these charts, price structures here that I've laid out for you all. And yeah, well, I hope you enjoyed this brief update, and can't wait to see how November ends, because it already started really good. So hop on over to Trending Waves, and we shall see you guys tomorrow. Don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Take care. Bye-bye.